That Haitian food lucky OC, boy. That Haitian food lucky OC. 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 Let's present the one and only. The one and only Pickles. The one and only Pickles. The one and only Pickles for the people that don't know. Afterward, we got sauce pois, black beans, sauce pois, black beans. Next, we got the sauce. If you get lost in the sauce, that's your problem. But that sauce, you might get lost in it. You might. You might, brother. You might. After that, we got the legume. Ooh, let's open the legume right now, though. Let's open the legume. Let's open the legume. We eating all this right now too. We eating all this right now. You see, well prepared. We got the big bag, so we can put it. The big bag. That's what I'm talking about. Let's open the pot. Let's open the pot. Mmm. Mmm. Sauce pois. Let's open the pickles. Ooh. 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 Pickles. The regular sauce. I don't know what it's made of, but I just know it's good sauce though. Mm. The legume. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is crazy, chat. This is crazy. This is crazy, chat. This is crazy, chat. Oh, Rover talking about like wait a little bit before I open it. What you mean wait a little bit, bro? Bro, I'm kind of hungry, fam. Talking about wait a little bit. I don't even know, cuz. Damn, fam. I'm gatekeeping that spot. Not gonna lie. Pickles. I let goose. I know that food good. Yes, bro. This food buzzing, fam. Fourchette, couteau. What's that veut dire? Fork and knife. Legume again. We about to throw all this down. We eating everything, boy. We eating everything. White rice and plantain. Banane pesé. I must throw some griot on that. Residue of griot. Needed that. You see, when you about to eat a food like this, the way it's about to bust, no diddy, you need to, I mean, you don't even need this. You don't even need this. God damn. The sauce pois. The sauce pois. And the pickles. Gotta take off the ring for that, man. Take out the ring, take out my bracelet. Put it to the side. Put it to the side for afterward. Me personally, when I'm about to eat my plantain, I put it in the sauce. See what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You put it in the sauce. My fault, y'all. My fault. I'm on every morning. That food going crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. When you're eating a food that good, you need to take breaks, chat. We need to take a break, chat. Coke. Damn, I fold. I should have get the cola cool one. So I could have put you on. Damn. Hmm. This food crazy, bro. I'm throwing this shit down. Bro, I'm throwing this shit down. Next thing, chat, we need to get the rice right real quick. But I like to put mine like this. One side I put the pois. The other side you put the sauce. Well operated. Damn. Mm. We need to add the legume on top of the rice after we bust that button down though. We need to put that button to the side. We save the rest of the button back. Now we operate with the legume. Personally, some people be like, when you have manners and stuff, you need to eat with fork. But Haitian food like this at this time, I'm dolo home. I'm about to buzz that with the spoon, boy. I'm home, chilling. Might as well. Might as well. Chat. Might as well. You get one spoon like this. Mmm. 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 Nah, this is going crazy. This is going crazy, chat. Well recommended. Légumes. Légumes, sauce pois, diri blanc, pois noir. Pickles. Ooh. I haven't hit the pickles yet because it was kind of hot. But we have to try it without it first. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Right enough pickles. Drop it on top. Get some sauce pois. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. 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 Damn. Ooh. Pickles. Oh my god. And the legume also have beef. They put beef in the legume. Let's try the beef, chat. Well seasoned. That's well seasoned. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. 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 Mmm. Mm 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 mm. That's crazy. Yeah, that's my first time trying that spot for Haitian food. It's actually good, bro. It's actually good. Mmm. Mmm. Let me get my thumbnail over. Yeah, man. Let's get back to the eats. Eats. I don't have time to talk. The rest I'm gonna just eat, bro. Let me watch the thing while I'm eating all this food. Let me watch some.